This is the vintage wood which we're going to use to replace the end sills. The end sill is a composite of 3 different pieces. This goes under the end sill. The other one is a little bit hard to tell from this arrangement. This is the actual end sill that we'll put the mortises in. We'll sit on top of this, and then there's another piece that goes below it. And if you look in the background, you can almost visualize. There's the old one with all the bolts sticking through them. One of the problems that you have in getting large old timber is that it comes complete with holes. So we're going to see if we can use some of them, but it's unlikely we will, and we'll just plug them. But this is good quality southern yellow pine. Nice and straight. After looking very carefully at the pictures of 100, we discovered that the size of the coal stove that it had. We knew it had one, and we're not sure whether it came over here with one or not, but it had to be just this height because in the pictures it shows below the windows. So thanks to a connection with the 470 railroad, the main narrow gauge in Portland, we were able to get this one donated to us at no cost, and it's just about right. Kind of a cute little thing. Did you say something? Oh, all right. In order to make the locomotive, which is down in the box, come to life, we've collected a lot of pictures of its history and the work that we're doing on it. This particular one is the first panel we've done, and it's the wood and timber work showing project manager Phil Morris tearing up some sills, some flooring rather, and then the actual lead restoration technician tearing the end sill out, and then a deteriorated side sill. We have a lot of pictures, and we think it brings it to life. What we have done is we made a matrix of dated photographs, so we know pretty well what the period of time was that each one of these is showing. And then we took and put the various characteristics that we noted, like the year built, the type of wood that it had, whether it had a sandbox on it or not, whether the air compressor was under the body or whether it was inside, the type of wheels that it had, whether it had lettering or a logo on the outside, what color the number was, what color the body appeared to be, and then some other details. And we went back and forth, and we found that the best period seems to be about 1935 to 1940. The company was still quite viable, the locomotive was in fairly good shape, but it had assumed by and large the way it came to us. We got it in 1949, and the only thing they had done significantly, they had painted it one more time, and then they painted it one more time yet. They painted it the red and white, and then they painted it the green, which is what we thought it was at all times. And our analysis, color analysis, showed that it was really black.